We just received the Accelerator by Dr. Pooper for our review, and we are no strangers with this brand. We've used them for our septic, and it works flawlessly. Very excited to use it here in the kitchen sink because this thing says goodbye to drain flies. And I don't know if you're like us, but even summer or winter, depending on where you are, you may have like those fruit flies or those flies that will literally go into your drain or always kind of want to fly around your sink. Well, no more with this thing, and it's super easy to use. So the first thing, of course, you've got your sink, and you're gonna run about this much water for about 10 seconds. That kind of intensity for about 10 seconds. And when I'm done, all I'm gonna do is use, I'm gonna do one scoop. There you go, that should be enough. And we'll do one scoop, and the scoop is included here. So I'll do one scoop, and it is, look at this, it is just, regular powder. And what it's gonna do, it's going to get in there, and as you can see, it starts foaming. So that's what's gonna happen hitting that water in the bottom. And what I wanna do is I don't wanna just look at it, I wanna close it and make sure that it is sealed in there. And the reason why is because while it's working, we don't want it to kind of like fume out. We want it to stay in there, kind of do its thing in the pipes within the sink. Really, really nice. Obviously, don't use your sink. Don't run any water in that sink, in that particular sink, for at least 5 hours. Once you're done, just flush it with some hot water and you're good to go. Do it as much as you need, but usually once is good enough for months. Super cool.